This is my 2014 Lexus CT200h, and this comes with a pretty decent head unit. However, it doesn't have CarPlay. So in this video, we're going to talk about the CarPlay, what I went with, and why I think you should get it for your vehicle. So this here is a Hamilton Automotive head unit, and if you haven't heard of Hamilton by now, they make amazing products. They're not as big as like Alpine, JL, and all those other companies. However, they make very, very good and high-end head units like this one. One of the things I cannot live without on my day-to-day drive is CarPlay, especially wireless CarPlay. And I hate dealing with wires to begin with. Like, I don't like this alone, being that this car is a little bit older. It doesn't have wireless charging, so I do have to use this for my phone. However, plugging it in to use music or Google Maps or Apple Maps or whatever you decide to use on your CarPlay or Android Auto is important. So what I have here is the Hamilton, and I had this installed locally here in Denver, Colorado from a company called Marshall Automotive. I highly recommend them because they are an authorized dealer and installer of Hamilton products, and they're one of the few in Colorado that can do it, and they did an amazing job. Like, this fitment, everything obviously is from Hamilton, but the installation was so clean. He showed me what was behind there, so that way I know all the wires and everything were cleaned up and done well. So I am very happy with the job that they did, and I'm very happy with this product. So here is the back of the head unit. You can see that the panel that they use is very much just like the OEM dash. There's even the fake leather texture that's on it, and then the backing of the head unit itself looks great, and it just fits very snug and very OEM. Originally, I was just going to choose one that I could find off Amazon or eBay, but I read that with Lexus specifically, it's a little bit harder for aftermarket manufacturers to reproduce all the original stuff, and I wanted to retain as much of that as possible. So that's why I decided to go with Hamilton. So Hamilton, they were around $800 or so for this specific unit. You can just buy the adapter to add CarPlay to your factory unit. That's a little bit smaller, but have wireless CarPlay and all that good stuff. However, I did want a little bit larger screen, so I went with this one. And let's talk about the features that I'm talking about. So let me hop out of here. This uses both touchscreen and the mouse that comes on the Lexus CT200h. So I can use the mouse to go here, go to Hamilton. Well, let's go back. You can drag, click and drag. And you can see here, the mouse is a little bit laggy, you can see, but that's factory. So CP Link, that is the CarPlay. And then you have video. You can also mirror this. You can turn the screen off completely. So the very first icon original here, that one, this is what Lexus comes with. So this screen right here, that's how big the original screen is. So what they did is they put a Lexus kind of silhouette here off to the side, which is actually a really nice look. So I'm going to click menu down here on my mouse pad that you can't see, and then all the features, how it snaps into place, still works, which is amazing because I love that feature. Everything just snaps in. It doesn't hover like how it is when you're actually in CarPlay. So one of the things that I love to check on is the info. I go over to fuel consumption because I love seeing what gas mileage I get, and this just keeps climbing. This keeps impressing me. This car, 47.4 miles per gallon is what I'm getting currently, and that's amazing. And I hit 10 or 11 in my Tundra, so this is why I got this vehicle as a daily. What's nice too is they have built-in incident, accident, and traffic tracker. It has the weather as well. You can check the current weather. It uses the weather channel to pull this data in, so that's really cool. So you get to keep all of the factory stuff, which is why I really like the Hamilton. You can have your factory navigation still and all the factory components, the setup, the settings and everything like that, which is really nice. And then of course you can go back home. So if you like this over CarPlay for whatever reason, you can definitely keep this. But really, I'm gonna be inside of CarPlay the entire time, really. So you can add apps over here as well. So you could do that, or just use CarPlay. Anytime I get in the car, my phone automatically connects to CarPlay, so I don't even have to think about it. I never really see the old screen anymore unless I want to check two things. One, the weather, and then mainly my fuel consumption, because I love seeing what gas mileage I get, which is why I have a daily in the first place. But this is where I'm going to be living the majority of time. So I can swipe through here and see all my apps that I have on my phone, which gets transferred over here as well. And then, of course, your reverse will also work. So let me turn the vehicle on, throw this thing in reverse. So you can see right there, my trunk is currently open, so which is why you're seeing the sky instead of, you know, the ground. But this is what you get here. So, and then when you turn it off, everything shuts off normally. So let me show you the boot up. So when you first start it up, you'll get this screen here. If it's been sitting for a while, you'll get the Marshall Automotive, and then you'll get CarPlay immediately. So you can see how fast that is. So, but if it's been sitting for a while, for example, if you go to work and you're worked 8-hour shift, you come out, the Hamilton startup will kick up, and then it'll boot up and then kick you right into CarPlay. So unlike my other videos, I do not have a discount code for Hamilton Automotive head units. However, if you get this installed over at Marshall Automotive and mention my name or my channel, he will give you a discount both on the parts and labor as well. So if you have a Toyota or a Lexus or other vehicles, Marshall Automotive works on pretty much everything. So head on over there, give him a call, give him whatever vehicle you have. And if you like the unit, do your research, of course. I want to make sure you're getting what you're wanting for your vehicle. But Hamilton Automotive makes probably one of the best units out there. And now that I have one, I can definitely say that with confidence. So check them out, check Marshall Automotive out, and then save yourself some money once you're ready to pull the trigger on the head unit for your vehicle. But that's going to be it for this video. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll see you guys next time.